Hello, I'm Hassan Khaled from Rokai Dev team. Our solution is creating a web application that explains the objects around the Earth and help students and researchers to know more about the sky and what secrets hidden for us. We start with creating a web application showcasing the planets in details and objects around the Earth. Let us call this web application a virtual simulator. You can deal with this virtual simulator from your phone and various devices that you are using to explain the planets and objects around the Earth. That will be useful in advanced application we plan to develop it in our work. And we can also simulate a space missions and the probability of an object approaching the Earth and anticipate a realistic solutions to avoid potential dangers. Our vision is to build a virtual environment that we can rely on as educational and practical environment for training, practicing, and also testing, and to be close to the reality as possible. This is Rock Simulator. Our application is available to develop more and more times to be one of the useful tools that we can bridging the gap between theoretical and practical education to help students and all people who want to test their applications to avoid a potential risk. And this application will help us to do our missions in virtual world in different and various categories and departments like education, engineering and medical, and absolutely astronomy. Talking about how our application will be useful take a long time to explain and needs a lot of time of hard working. So let us what we did to make our application. In our application, we used a lot of resources from NASA official website like APIs and some of AI models to detect the orbits or the right orbits of planets and objects around the Earth and in all of solar system. And using AI in this application help us and abstract a lot of time. You can check the web application or the virtual simulator as we call in the link below. Thank you for giving us this opportunity, and I hope my modest idea gets your attention. And we know that the space is the base of all our great innovations in our life now. Thank you. I'm Hassan Khaled. Goodbye.